Understanding storm windows, a guide to weatherproofing your home. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term storm windows and understand how they play a crucial role in weatherproofing homes. So, if you're curious about what storm windows are and why they're important, you're in the right place. Storm windows are an additional layer of window that is installed on the outside or inside of the primary window. They serve as a form of insulation and protection against harsh weather conditions. Storm windows are particularly useful in regions that experience severe weather changes, such as heavy winds, rain, or snow. The primary purpose of storm windows is to provide extra protection and improve the energy efficiency of a home. They help to reduce air infiltration, which can lead to lower heating and cooling costs. Moreover, they protect the primary windows from damage caused by storms and can also reduce outside noise. There are several types of storm windows, each with its own set of benefits. The most common types are 1. Exterior storm windows, installed on the outside of your existing windows. 2. Interior storm windows, placed on the inside, offering easier installation and access. 3. Temporary storm windows, usually made of plastic. These can be added and removed as needed. Installing storm windows is a task that can often be done by the homeowner or a professional. The key is to ensure a proper fit to maximize their effectiveness. Maintenance involves regular cleaning and checking for any air leaks, ensuring they remain functional and efficient. We hope this video has shed some light on storm windows and their benefits. Remember, adding storm windows to your home is not just about protection against the elements, but also about enhancing energy efficiency and saving on costs in the long run. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning. Goodbye for now, and we hope to see you soon.